Welcome to the Barnett Plumbing and Water Heaters channel, your fast, friendly water heater pros. My name's Tristan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to relight a pilot light. A pilot light going out is one of the most common issues that a homeowner will face. Sometimes it's a result of age and an indicator that your unit might need to be replaced. Sometimes it's a strong wind or somebody was working on the gas line and could have shut it off. The good news is, it's a simple fix that any homeowner can do. So let's get to it. We're here today in a home in Pleasanton, California, where they have a 40-gallon gas water heater with a pilot that needs to be relit. We'll be working with a Honeywell gas control valve, although most gas control valves will follow similar steps to relight. The first thing you want to do is note the temperature that your water heater is set at, so that after you relight the pilot light, you can set it back to the temperature that you're used to. After that, you want to make sure that the gas to your water heater is turned on. If you're not sure where to locate that, start at the gas control valve and follow the supply line all the way back to the shutoff switch. The shutoff here should be in the on position, which is when the handle is parallel to the pipe. If you're in California and have a seismic shutoff valve, it's worth checking there as well, just in case it's been tripped and your gas is shut off from there. Now, assuming you have gas to the water heater, the next step is to turn the knob to the pilot position. It's the only position that will allow you to press the knob in and release gas into the chamber. With the knob set to pilot, you're going to press and hold the knob down while clicking the igniter again and again until the indicator light on the gas control valve begins to blink. As a note, it can take up to 60 seconds of rapid clicks on the igniter before the pilot finally lights, so it'll give up after just 1 or 2 clicks. Once the indicator light begins to blink, you can go ahead and turn your knob back to the temperature setting that you had set before you were relighting the pilot. And that's it. Now, if your pilot won't relight or keeps going out, it's time to call a water heater specialist that you can trust. If you're in the California Bay Area, give us a call, and one of our water heater specialists will be happy to come out and take a look at your water heater. Thanks again for watching our video, and on behalf of Barnett Plumbing and Water Heaters, your fast, friendly water heater pros, I hope you have a great day filled with hot water.